Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to make money online using Craiglist. Before that, I just recommend you to please see the full video and enjoy earning money online. Thank you. So step 1, just open your Chrome browser. This is my Chrome browser. You know that Chrome. If you don't have the Chrome browser, you can download from there online. Okay. So this is my Chrome browser, and I'll just what you have to do is that you have to search for the target location. Suppose your target location is from USA or like California or like Los Angeles. Okay, so suppose for example my target location is to get from Los Angeles. Los. So what I have to write down is just right here, search here, Los Angeles, Los Angeles, Craiglist, Craiglist, Craiglist. Okay, let me search for that. Okay, you can see here that in top list you can see here my target location was Los Angeles Craiglist, right? So just click here. Okay, after clicking that Craiglist, what you have to do is that first search for the resume part. Okay, so where I will search for it, so you will find here the resume. Where is the resume? Resume. Okay, here. So have you got it? Resume. Okay, just click on resume. Okay, and here you will find thousands of Los Angeles student list or a job seeker that you can able to find them, and then you can promote your affiliate links to those peoples, to those person who are in needs of money, who love to work part-time online. Okay, so how to do that? First of all, what you after clicking that on the resume part, just after clicking, you've seen that how much 1600 is to your total audience that you are going to get. So how to connect with them? Okay, so what you have to do is that just click on here, first candidates. Okay, after that let the page loads. Okay, so here's the page, personal for $20, Bellflower. Okay, what is it? My name is, so contact info, text me for details. I roll perfect, join clubs, tips, never any silver. I use soda or honey. Text me for business. Please tell a friend. I have the best technique. Okay. I think this is not a student. Again, this is not my requirement. Okay. So yeah, help me. Need money. Okay. So here different types of person you can find here. Okay, so I think here's the person who are in need of part-time jobs, and he's also one of the part-time job is strong, like the man needing work. Okay, so let me click on the part-time job first. Let me check how is here. 24-year-old male with extra bills and needs of extra work. Graveyard and morning work better, whatever's available. Let's talk. It's okay to contact. Okay, so what you have to do, how you have to contact with them. Okay, let me show you how to contact me. Just click on reply button. Okay, please wait for it. After clicking on that, you will see here reply by email. Okay, so here's the email address that you can able to contact with them. So just click on here. Okay, and just control plus click, and after that open your inbox. Here's my inbox. Just click on new compasses. Okay, So after clicking on it, you will find out here. Okay, just put in there and paste here. Okay, subject, just click here. Okay, I have some ready-made by you. Okay, so here's a greeting message for you. What I have to do is on the subject part, I'm copying this. Okay. Let me copy this part and just put it in the section below, and on the text field. Okay, here's the text field. So what you have to do is just come across, and I'm going to put this. Yeah. Okay, so just click this one, copy here, and just paste it here. Simple. And just click on the save button. Okay, and after that you can see here the message has already been sent. Okay, so just check it here, and the message went or not. Just check here. Okay, here, hey, I see your job resume. Yeah, as a dog. Here's your job notification type subject. Okay, so in this way you can able to make money online using Craiglist. If you have any queries or any love to hear that, you can feel free to contact us. Links are in the description box. Or if you love to work online, seriously, I have one platform that you can promote your links, which rates is very high, and they will pay you more and more. Okay, and this is also a very simple task. If you join through my links, and I'm going to share with you an awesome affiliate marketing that you will love enjoying, and you will love earning money. So okay, thank you. So this was my topics, and love that you have learned and you have known the tricks. Okay, so in this way you can able to make the money. Okay, thank you, bye bye, have a great day.